Good evening. It's Vijay here. Welcome to our weekend session, weekend reflections, where we talk about some issues which may affect the markets in the week which is going to come from tomorrow. So we had this discussion about the SEBI versus Jane Street on Friday, and there has been a lot of discussion which is still going on, and people believe that Jane Street is has manipulated. They have done something illegal. I was one of those rare people who said that prima facie, based on SEBI order, it doesn't seem illegal. But if SEBI has got something more to show, and when they go to the court, which I'm sure Jane Street will do, go to the court here means Securities and Appellate Tribunal. And as far as I can see, Jane Street have got a very solid case. However, SEBI could also have the last laugh, because if they have some more information, because they're claiming that they're still investigating, and if they have some more information which will clearly show Jane Street that they have done something illegal, then that's a different matter altogether. That will change a lot of things as far as the market is concerned. But as of now, I still believe that the Jane Street guys have got a very good chance of getting the order overturned. This will not be the first time that SEBI's order has been overturned, but we'll have to wait and see. Right now, on the weekend, we are talking about what we should be talking about is the Trump's big deal with India. Trump has been talking about this deal, which will happen by 9th, is what they said. Now, the negotiating team has come back from US, but it looks like something is not worked out, because they are now talking about we don't care, we are looking only at our issues, is what the Commerce Minister said. But nevertheless, they're talking of something called a mini deal within the next 24 to 48 hours. Anyway, 9th is just about 72 hours from now. So, as far as the negotiations are concerned, apparently the negotiations have been completed on what they call the mini trade deal, because the full trade deal is supposed to happen in September, October. So, as far as the Indian delegation is concerned, Indian delegation says we have proposed a fair deal, and we are asking some certain US items may be provided lower tariffs as part of the deal. And India declined to offer any concessions on wheat, rice, maize, dairy, and genetically modified crops. Because that has been the bugbear. US is trying to push on those genetically GMO crops, but it looks the delegation says that we have not accepted that. Then India's proposal on automobile tariffs is similar to what has been offered to other nations in FTA talks. So these automobile and the GMO and the dairy and agriculture sectors, that is what is the the point on which there seems to be difference. So we do not know really what is going to happen now. Whether Trump has gone taco Trump issue has again come back this evening. You see, the taco means Trump always chickens out. Trump has been extending the deal time. And here we have the Treasury Secretary said in the about 1 hour ago in the Fox News, not Fox News, in the I think CNN News or CNBC, where he said if no deal is reached by August 1st, trading partners will revert to April 2 tariff levels. Now, from 9th, they seem to have pushed it to August 1st, but we will soon know, because Donald Trump has said to Fox News, for instance, when Fox News asked him, July 9th is coming up, what are you going to do about the end of pause in tariffs? And Trump replied that we are sending letters out saying, congratulations, we're going to allow you to trade in the US. You're going to pay a 25% tariff or a 20% or a 40% or 50%. I would rather do that, is what he said. He's been very vague, but he claims that 12 countries will receive letters tomorrow. He has not named them. And here we have a contradictory message coming from Besant, who says that we will now push it to August 1st. There is quite a bit of confusion there. And also there is uncertainty about the India-US trade deal, which Trump was touting as to be the biggest one and the latest one which is coming out. So it seems to be a very interesting week next week, both on the SEBI Jane Street front, as well as the trade deal front. Right now, we have very sketchy information. I wish I could give more. Maybe tomorrow I should be able to speak a little bit on the trade deal. So all in all, it's going to be a very volatile week, in my opinion, next week. So one has to be very careful in what we are going to buy, and we continue to buy on declines. But nevertheless, I think next week will be a very volatile week because we also have, I think, TCS numbers which are coming in the next week. IT has been, been very volatile to downtrend to down. So that also one has to look at it. So I am a little bit short of information today. It's better to give proper information when it comes in next week. Till that time, one should be prepared for a rash of volatility. And I'll meet you. I'll come back tomorrow morning, hopefully with more information as to how to go about trading for Monday. Right now, my thinking is there's a lot of confusion because both Donald Trump and Besant are speaking contradictory things, and we also we also have not got any full information on the SEBI Jane Street imbroglio. So whatever it is, let's have a pleasant evening and a weekend, and let's see tomorrow how we should tackle the markets. Thank you for joining me.